In this lecture, we're going to show a tool measure. With tool measure, we can calculate distance, angle, surface area of one entity or between selected entities. So to find a tool measure, we have to go to Evaluate tab, and here next to Mass Properties, we have a measure. So let's choose measure. And now we got this dialog box. Only that we have to do, we have to select entities that we want to measure. So if we go with our mouse here, we can now see that the cursor changes. And now, for example, we want to measure the thickness of this item here. So there are two ways how we can do this. We can click on this edge like this. And now here we got the length, 1.5 millimeters. And you can see this here, 1.5 millimeters. So this is the one option how you can measure the length. Let's right click here and let's go with delete. The second option is that you choose this face here and then choose this face here. So here we have some distances, but we are looking for normal distance, and this is 1.5 millimeters. We got the same result. As well, here we have delta X, delta Y, delta Z, and so on. Let's delete this. Clear selections. And now we're going to show how we can measure an angle. So for example, we want to measure the angle between this face and this face. So we can just simply click on this face here and this face here. And here we have an angle. Let's right click and let's go clear selections. And now we're going to show how we can calculate surface area. For example, we want to calculate the surface area of this face here. So let's just click on this face. And here we have surface area in millimeters squared. We can also add another surface area, for example, this one here. And now here we have a total area in millimeters squared. Let's right click and let's clear selections. You can also change the units. You don't have to measure in millimeters. So you can go here, unit precision, like this. And now you got this dialog box here. And here we can go with the length unit. You can change this, for example, to inches. And down here we can change angular units. So let's go with radians, like this. And here we can also define decimal places. So we can go with 3, for example. And let's click OK. And now if we measure the length of this edge, we can see that we got a length in inches. Let's delete this. And if we measure the angle between this face and this face, we got an angle in radians, like this. So with tool measure, you can get some quick information as length, angle, surface area of your entities on your model.